All right, now I will show you some tips for properly donning the G4 FES technology. I will begin by drawing some anatomical points on my leg. So obviously, here's the patella. Here is the tibial tuberosity. Here is the tibia. Here is the fibula head. So of course, the common peroneal nerve comes down as an extension of the sciatic nerve, and then it bifurcates into two branches. You have a superficial branch that controls eversion of the foot, and then a deep branch that goes under the anterior tibialis and controls inversion and dorsiflexion. So you want to innervate a balance of the deep and superficial branch to get a nice dorsi response with a little bit of eversion. So for the G4, I put the large electrode on the largest part of the muscle belly of the anterior tibialis, and I tried to put the fibula head right in between of the middle two electrodes. I try to keep the large electrode 1 centimeter off the tibia. You do not want to place any stimulation on the tibia. So typically, I start by putting this bar on the tibia at the level of the fibula head. So I'm right here, and I come over across so that the fibula head is covered sufficiently. Then I cinch the bar, and this is the correct placement. That will work probably 60% of the time. Now your options are to move it a little bit more medially, or to move it laterally, or to move it more distally. You don't have much options as far as proximal movement. So if I want to move it, I can, because let's say I'm getting too much eversion, I can bring it down off the fibula head and still keep it 1 centimeter off the tibia. And this placement, I will probably get less eversion. I might get more inversion, but if I keep turning the intensity up, it should pull out into a good dorsi response. Now, if I want more eversion, I can move it laterally a little bit. So now I'm 2 to 3 centimeters off the tibia, and I'm innervating behind the fibula head. But you want to be careful, because if you go back too far, you'll innervate the gastroc and you'll actually go into a plantar flexion motor response. Something else that you can do is that you can actually cover the back two electrodes with an adhesive system so that they are not actively producing stimulation into the skin or into the nerve. So then you're only receiving stimulation from the front four, and you can actually do that for the back four and only do the front two if that will help. I do know of one patient that we're actually turning the device over, and that's an off-label usage of it as far as a donning process, but you can actually don it like so. So now the large electrode is just behind the fibula head, but notice that I'm still not on the tibia. You don't want to put the electrodes on the tibia, and you come over like so and then cinch it. That's done maybe less than 5% of the time, but it is an option. And that is the proper placement of the G4. So again, remember, do not put the large electrode on the tibia. It needs to be off the tibia, and try to put the fibula head in the middle of the array of electrodes. Thank you.